Hello there, welcome to my first impressions of a lowered Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT. The lowering links I got were from GB Motorcycle Products. Very prompt delivery. Some very basic instructions came with it. Basically £19 brackets. They lower the bike 50mm. Now, doing some research, I believe that's a 50mm drop at the back, but it's only a 25mm drop at seat height. Anyway, so we've got them fitted, and then been able to get out today and have a ride out and see what my thoughts of them are. Now, obviously I notice a difference in seat height. I got on and can completely get both feet down, giving me more confidence, especially when I'm out riding in windy days, as I do ride in all weathers. And it's not really until I get out into the more twisty roads that I really felt more confident putting the bike in the corners. Now I can only put that down to it having a lower centre of gravity, and because it's got that lower centre of gravity, obviously it's improved the handling. So I do need to fine tune, I think, with the rear settings, the rebound and what have you. But so far so good. I mean, for £19 you can't really go wrong. They're good, decent quality, a good thick sturdy bracket. Fitting was literally the 2 bolts. You took a nut off either one. Once you lifted the back wheel so you got the tension off it, it was a hell of a lot easier, and I say fitting's just as easy. So I say this is early days at the moment, but so far so good. I really can't fault them, and the quality, the speed they came. I mean, I don't know why you'd pay extra for the faster delivery, to be honest with you. But anyway, so back to the bike. So I haven't noticed any real difference getting off the line. As I say, that feels the same. But the real noticeable difference is definitely when I'm putting it through in the twisties. It feels so much more confidence. It feels like it's got so much more grip. But we'll see how we get on, and yeah, I can recommend doing that to a bike. Well, depending on your height, I suppose. Thanks very much. Bye.